Chesterfield, Idaho, which is supposedly a ghost town.
A refurbished ghost town. It looks like they've kept the buildings and maintained them. Welcome to historic Chesterfield town site, established in 1880.
On the Oregon Trail.
All right. Well, this building looks totally kept up and refurbished. Where are you going?
Oh, see this building.
Well, I know you. Not sure what that building is.
Oh, cute.
Tours. We were thinking maybe they do tours. There's a lot of cars over there. I wouldn't be surprised if they did. All right, we're just driving around, guys. These are, I think that says Perkins. So we're really not sure what these buildings are, but they're kind of widespread.
They've done a lot to preserve this ghost town.
That might be an old schoolhouse, maybe.
I think this is a schoolhouse. Tithing House Road. That looks like
Cute little house. Don't really see anything. Can't give no information. Sorry, guys. There's a dump.
they probably all used to look like that. It is a ghost town. Which way do you want me to go? Up to the main drag?
Yeah, the main drag. Because over there is like a general store.
Look at the bathroom. You guys go out there and take. This is the tithing office and the tithing house.
This one here.
That's the cashier. Community treasurer is in there, the tithing office. Look at the outhouses out back in the houses.
Yeah,
That's so bad.
that's the way it was. I actually have witnessed that in my day. There's an old cabin over here. Oh, rude. Tree gets in the way. Forget it. Move on. Barlow/Call home, it says. Cute little.
Well, here's a little sign telling you where we're at.
Where's the someone at? Right there. Oh, and we're just going to briefly show you guys a little bit of what's out here. They do tours because there's a truck with a bunch of people on the back of like a trailer or something behind us.
Schoolhouse Road. That's gotta be the
So
schoolhouse.
this is the old schoolhouse here. You can go in. What that is. I think that's it.
That's weird.
Yeah, they don't have a sign on that telling us what that is. Huh. Interesting. Well, rude.
1895.
No idea what that is. Maybe an old church, maybe?
I'll bet it is. I bet it's the chapel.
Okay, it's on his side. Okay, so we figured it out. It's the Meeting House Road. This here. So that had to have been Meeting House, which could have been church too. parks here.
That's how the Mormons got across the prairies. There are a lot of pioneers. Turn around and get a picture. Which way?
That way. Gotta go to the store. Cute. That is a cute building, but they definitely use it on a day-to-day. Oh, it has a little museum, old brick store. Getting ready for another tour to go out, it looks like. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this here. We're at the bookstore. If there's anything else to report, I'll let you know.